this is gonna be one of the Valentine makeup look. I'm not saying one because we're gonna have two, and I'm super excited with new products. And like, guys, welcome to this channel. So today we're gonna do the first makeup look for Valentine's Day, something between soft and medium makeup look for this Valentine's Day. And this is gonna be one of Valentine's Day makeup look because we're gonna have one next week, some new makeup products, which it gets me so excited. I need to Sephora to get it because oh my god, I thought I was not gonna get it, but I got it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. The first product I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and I'm going this amount, and I'm gonna start applying it especially on my T-zone. And I was looking for a primer, like a new primer, especially I wanted to do this makeup tutorial, new makeup products, because I mean it's a new year and I feel like this is a special occasion for the first year, like a special event that I feel like most of us celebrate. I didn't find any that really got my attention. I mean, the Maybelline Fit Me, I feel like it's like semi-new. Use the LA concealer. Obviously, this step you can skip it because the lady over here need to have a lot of coverage underneath my eyes. But like I was saying, for the e.l.f. primer, I've heard it is really good, so I was looking for it, but neither CVS or Walgreens had it. The way this weekend I can go Target and find the e.l.f. primer. I can get it, and if I do, I'll let you know through my Instagram on my story. So if you don't follow me, I'll put it over here how you can find me. But yeah, hopefully I can find it, and if I do, I'll let you guys know on my Instagram. I'll use that primer for other Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair number 10. And if you follow me since last year, you guys know that I always use this one to cover my pimples, and I just tap with my fingers. I bought the new Revlon Photo Ready Candid Glow. So this is a Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. I feel like it's a semi-new foundation. I got it in the shade 120. I really love the packaging. I feel like it gives you the vibe high-end makeup. I feel why, but of Saint Laurent. But I love it. I feel like it's super cute. Oh, this is in the this is in the shade 120 Puff Chamois. This is a light buildable coverage foundation. So remember, this is light to buildable foundation. I really wanted to grab something that is, oh my god, it's like it's too light for my skin tone. I should have got like maybe 1 or 2 shades up because it's too light. Okay. So remember, this is a light foundation. I wanted to get something that it's between light and buildable or light to medium coverage, because I want this makeup look have a heavy foundation. And remember, this is depending what you like, how you feel at the moment. If you want high coverage, not too much coverage, like it really depends on what you want. But besides the shade, I really like how it looks on the skin. It feels super nice on the skin. It has a kind of little bit of a smell, but I don't mind underneath my eyes. And right now that I'm loving this Revlon Candy Glow foundation, what I'm gonna do is get the concealer. So I'm gonna use my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Like I feel like I'm running out of it. It's in the shade Light Sand. And I'm going to use also the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this is in the shade Fair Warmth. And I'm going to start blending. So yeah, definitely I'm going to go in. I'm going to do this side. After concealer, I'm going to contour my face. Use the Parkiv Princess from Tarte. You guys know that I love this palette. Plus, I didn't find any of a contour stick or palette that really grabbed my attention. But I completely forgot Forgot that Rare Beauty recently, like maybe what, 2 weeks, they launched their new contour sticks, and I went to Sephora to grab one of the makeup products that I have right here with me, and I completely forgot to grab that contour stick. If I can this weekend, I'll go to Sephora. Hopefully they have my shade, because I saw online that I didn't have the shade that I wanted. Hopefully I can go to Sephora this weekend and get that contour stick. If I do and I can't get the shade, I'll let you guys know through my Instagram, and we'll have them have the Rare Beauty contour stick with us and use it for the other Valentine's Day makeup look. So now let's move on to the blush. So now for the blush, I'm going to use the Milani Romantic Rose powder blush. I didn't have any new blushes out there, and again, I went to the drugstores, didn't find any that really grabbed my attention. I feel like for drugstores, they didn't have any new blushes. Did I miss any? Let me know if you guys know any, maybe like a semi new blush that came out and maybe I missed it, but didn't find any. So I'm gonna use this one from Milani. Let's move on with the highlighter. For highlighter, also didn't find any at the drugstore that was new. I'm gonna use the one from Rem Beauty. You guys know I love this one. It is Miss Mercury, and it is so beautiful. You guys know that this is my favorite highlighter of all time, so I'm gonna use this one. Maybe a new highlighter, that a drugstore highlighter that they launched, is the Wet n Wild. I think it's Blossom, their new spring collection, Blossom. I didn't have it outside, and if I did grab that one, I feel like it was not gonna get here on time. So now let's move on now for the makeup on the eyes. For the eyes, I was excited to get the new Wet n Wild makeup palette. It's called the Color Icon, and I think they have 4 different palettes like this. This one is called Heart and Soul. I was looking for something that had pink tones. When I saw this palette, it really grabbed my attention. Absolutely, like this shade and obviously this shade. I feel like they're so pretty. First color I'm gonna use is this one over here. I feel like it's like a peachy tone. So I'm going to apply this color on my crease and do the same thing on this side. I feel like it's so pigmented. Yeah, I like how it looks. It's so cute. Oh, I like it just like that with some lashes or mascara. I feel like it's gonna be super. It's a cute eyeshadow color. After that, with the same brush, I'm going to use this color over here. Like, I feel like pinky tone, and I'm gonna go over the peach. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Oh goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna go over peachy tone, but going a little bit closer to my lid. So we have these 2 colors. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. A bit closer to my lid. Next color, obviously I'm gonna get this one. I have to get it. I'm gonna grab it with a finger. Okay, definitely. Oh my god, look at this. This is so beautiful. Gorgeous. And do the same thing on the side. This is a beautiful color, and I feel like this palette is just having a little bit of fallout, not too much. Remember, it is normal to have fallout. I mean, excessive fallout is like you're not grabbing any of the eyeshadow product. So beautiful. It's such a beautiful palette. I want to get the nude one. Underneath the eyes, I have to use this color over here. It's so beautiful. So to make this makeup not too dramatic, I'm going to use it underneath the eyes. So it's a little bit dramatic, but not too much, because I really want to use this color. And I'm going to do the same thing on the side. So I can't resist, and I have to use the Tres Luce Beauty palette. Sada palette from their holiday collection, and I have to use the color Maravillas. Oh my god, this is a gorgeous pink. And do a cat eye with this color. I know you're not going to really see it, but it's gonna be there. You guys are gonna be able to see that little wing. I feel like it is so cute, and it's a simple cute touch without elevating too much into the dramatic makeup look. After that, I'm going to use Maybelline the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, and I feel like this is new. So because this one is a semi-new mascara, I didn't feel like there was a point to buy a new mascara. Now, to add another touch to it, I'm going to use the new Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. This is in the color white, but it's called You're Always White, and I don't know how long they've been there, but I feel like they're new for me. And you guys know that I love the black one, so I'm going to use this one on my waterline. And I don't know how the other girls can do it without touching, you know, your face, because I can't. It's gonna do to your eye is obviously your eye, it's gonna look more open. For falsies, I'm gonna use the Ardell Full Mink Wispies. I already bought this. I fell in love with this. I was between the Demi Wispies and the Wispies, which are these, but it was these, the Wispies. They're so beautiful. They look dramatic, but they're not that dramatic, especially because the lashes are kind of separate. But this lash. So we're done with the eyes. Now moving on with the lips. So I'm super excited to try this product, especially because it is the first time that I use or buy or try a makeup by Mario. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. You know, when you haven't bought any makeup from a certain brand and you're like so excited and you just want to put it right there and just look at it and see how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. Sephora, especially to get this shade, because I went online, the two shades that was between, I wasn't sure which one, they were sold out. Like, you know what, let's go to Sephora, let's try. I see if they have it. The shade Apricot Glow. I was like, oh my god, didn't have the one that I feel like I wanted more, but I was like, maybe let's go with this one because this is the only in the pink shade size that they had. So I was like, oh my god, I got it. And I went with my little one. You know how Sephora is all fancy, it smells really good, they had the music, you know, the vibe of Sephora. Oh my god, I got so excited, especially because, oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be like a story time, but I feel like I have to tell you guys, it's been almost 3 years that I haven't been to an actual Sephora store. I have bought it online, but you know Sephora, when you go into the store, it's like another vibe, another thing. So like the mommy and the son was so excited and so mesmerized by the store. Long story short, I got the new Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in the color Apricot Glow, and it says lips, and it's so cute. I'm just gonna keep the packet. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, gorgeous, so beautiful. It's so fancy, it's so clean, and it's beautiful. And of course it says by Mario. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm even excited because of the sound. Oh my god, I'm such a child. And there it is. I really have to clean it, okay? Because this is gold. I feel like this color for this makeup look, I feel like the other one that I'm gonna put it over here on the screen, I feel like it would go more with the makeup, but I feel like it still looks cute. And I'm starting to feel that tingling on the lips. I'm feeling it. So nice when you're applying, so smooth, and as you guys can see, it's so glowy. And I'm feeling the tingling on the lips. It is such a cute color. And voila, so that's it for this makeup look. I feel it's such a cute makeup look. As you guys can see, the cat eye that we did, the Tres Luce Beauty palette, soft and cute. I feel like it gives another touch to the makeup look instead of giving like the traditional makeup look, but still on the soft side. We love the foundation from Revlon. I love the Wet n Wild Icon color palette. Love this Moisture Glow Lip Serum from Makeup by Mario. It is beautiful, it's glowy, moisturized. I'm still feeling that tingle on the lips. loved the makeup look, how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also if you have tried or seen of these new makeup products at the store, let me know on the comments down below. And if you have tried it, let me know also what you guys think. But don't forget that the next week we're gonna have another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, also with new makeup products. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Also, don't forget that I have Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.